How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys two ways on how you can play Fortnite on any Chromebook. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say that you and your friends in school are looking to play some Fortnite. Maybe you want to kill some time, and instead of leaving the school premises, you could actually play Fortnite on your Chromebooks. And here's how. So method 1 requires you to use a streaming service called GeForce Shield or GeForce Now. And actually it's called NVIDIA Shield if we're going to get technical. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. And the way it works is it actually uses your PCs at home to run Fortnite, but uses this application to broadcast that image or the game onto whatever device you're on. So in this case, we're at school, we're using Chromebooks. So what would happen is if you leave your computer on and then you go to school, what you need to do is you need to download this app right here at Video Shield, basically log in your account, and then you could remotely control your computer from there, from the Chromebook. So what had happened is you would be running Fortnite on your PC, but the image would be broadcasted on the Chromebook, and you could control it remotely. Now, obviously, there's some latency issues with this method, but it's the best way to actually play Fortnite on Chromebooks. So the way to do it is quite straightforward. All you have to do is install the application on your Chromebook, log in your account, and have at it. Everything should be there, the on-screen instructions and whatnot, and you should be good to go. Now, method 2 requires you to use an emulator called an APK, or rather, an Android emulator. And it says so here. Way to use Fortnite APK. Chromebook is compatible with Android apps, as its operating system is technically Android. So what this means is that you're able to bypass the security measures of Chromebook by switching modes to, or rather switching to developer mode or Android mode. So the way to do it is you want to turn off your Chromebook first, and then you want to hold escape and F3 while pressing the power button. So you basically want to hold this down for 3 seconds at least, or till your Chromebook powers on. And what happens is this will take you to the recovery screen mode, or rather the recovery screen. So once you're there, press Control D to turn on developer mode. And when you do, the system basically boots up in developer mode. And from there, you would want to go to settings, Google Play Store, and then manage Android preferences. Basically follow this path here. And once you're there, you want to select security and then click on unknown sources. So what we're doing here is we're basically giving giving unknown sources to access to our Chromebook. So when you enable it, all you have to do is open Chrome on the Chromebook and download Fortnite Android on the Epic Game Store website. And when you do, you want to run Epic Games app.apk on your Chromebook. And what happens is you have Fortnite. Now you can play with your friends. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.